Now, have you ever finished a website project and thought, now what do I do? You've built the site, you tested it, you've launched it, and then suddenly you're stuck figuring out how to hand it all over without losing your sanity, or worse, your plugin licenses. Now, I've been there, and that's why I've created something that'll save you time, protect your work, and make you look extra professional in front of your clients. Now, these free offboarding templates for web designers and freelancers are designed to make the end of a project as smooth and professional as the start of one. Now, whether you're handing off a finished site or a client's moving away from your maintenance service, these templates should cover everything you need. Now, most of us have a solid onboarding system. We've got proposals, questionnaires, contracts, but when it comes to finishing a project, things can get a little messy. Who owns the licenses? Who handles renewals? Do you remove your access? And what if they want you to keep managing the site for them? That's where these offboarding documents come in really, really handy. There are two templates that I've done. Now, both written in plain English, no jargon, no confusing tech talk to confuse any client. The first is the project offboarding document. Now, you use this when a project wraps up. It includes a checklist of what you'll hand over, things like files, backups, and logins, plus clear explanations about plugins and software licenses. It also gives clients a simple choice: take full ownership or let you manage it through a care plan. It even introduces your care plan as a natural next step without sounding all salesy. The second is a client offboarding end of service document. Now, this one's when a client leaves your service. Maybe they're changing providers or ending a maintenance plan. It helps you transfer control properly, protect your licenses, and maintain a positive relationship for future opportunities. Now, these documents make your process look professional, prevent awkward misunderstandings, and protect your business. Plus, they make you the kind of designer clients actually want to recommend, and one who finishes projects properly and clearly. Now, you can download both templates for free by clicking the link down below. Grab the downloads, and you can start offboarding like an absolute pro. Because great web design isn't just about building, it's about finishing strong.